Dear students, I am Soumya, your teacher of English. You are going to learn in this session vowels are special. End of the session, you will know how vowels help the other consonants to make the sound and make a new word. We all know vowels play a major role to make the sound. It is only the vowels which help the consonants to make the new sound. Let's recall the vowel sound once. Remember, end of the session, there will be assessment for you. And you need to think and answer the questions. So, listen carefully.
Vowels and consonants. We have learned that letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All the other letters of the English alphabet are consonants. Let us look at a few words. Bat, hen, gin, toy, sun. Hear the sounds carefully again. Bat, hen, gin, toy, sun. Now, if we remove the vowels from these words, can we pronounce them? No, as the vowels are sounds that help make words.
So, we came to know that without vowels, the other consonants will not be making any new word or new sound. Let us all recall the sounds of consonants as well as vowels. Before going to the consonants and vowels, remember you too have to pronounce and say the word. Right? Here it is. Vowels are special. Children, which is the first letter? Yes.
Letter S. S, S, S. Slide.
Children, I'm going for the next letter.
Letter T. T, T, T. Tortoise.
I'm going for the next letter and remember to repeat the letters.
Letter P. P, P, P. Popcorn.
Children, the next letter.
Letter N. Needle.
Children, quickly you will open your notebook and write down the letters. I'm waiting. We will go with letter L.
Letter L. L, L, L. Ladybug.
I hope you are all have done with the letters. I'm going for the next.
Letter D. D, D, D. Dolphin.
Done. I'm going for the next.
Letter F. Fish.
I'm going for the next letter, children.
Letter H. Horse.
I'm going for the next letter, children.
Letter C. Caterpillar.
The next letter.
Letter K. Kite.
The next letter.
Letter G. 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 Grapes.
Children, the next letter.
Letter R. Rocket.
The next letter.
Letter B. 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 Bubble.
Children, the next letter.
Letter M. Monkey.
Children, the next letter.
Letter V. 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 Violin.
Next letter.
Letter J. 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 Joker.
Children, the next letter.
Letter W. 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 Wind. Letter X. 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 Box. Letter Y. 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 Yuck. Letter Z. 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 Zebra. Quo. 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 Queen.
We all know that letter Q doesn't have its sound. So it takes the help of letter U to make the sound.
Duck.
Children, all these consonants have single sound. When they join with the vowels, they make a new sound. Remember, these consonants have a single sound. When they join with the vowels, they make the new sound. But vowels are not like that. Vowels have different sounds when they go with different words. Let's check it out. The first letter A. A has different sounds with different words.
Letter A. A. Ant.
The word ant, apple, axe, alphabet, pineapple. So, letter A has different sounds. That is why vowels and consonants differ. Let's see the letter E.
Letter E. E. Egg.
Egg, elephant, engine. All these have different sounds.
Letter I. Ink pot.
Aeroplane, helicopter. Right? So I has different sounds in different words.
Letter O. Octopus.
October, November. So when O comes in different words in different places, it takes the different sounds.
Letter U. Up.
Umbrella, right? So these vowels, when they mix up with the consonants, they make new sound, right? Now let us learn the vowel A. A, long vowel and short vowel. It doesn't mean the vowel is going to be too long or too short. It is the sound of the vowel A. Let us see how it differs from one word to another. I'm going to share a screen.
Short vowel ah. Ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. This is how we say it. Ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. Short vowel ah. Cat, cat, bag, bag, fan, fan, hat, hat, This is how we say the letter This is how we say it This is how we say the letter Short vowel bat, 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 can, can, jam, jam, van, van, This is how we say the letter This is how we say it This is how we say the letter Short vowel This is how we say the letter This is how we say it This is how we say the letter Short vowel Cat, bag, fan, hat, bat, can, jam, van.
Children, we came to know that letter A has short vowel as well as long vowel. Shall we do a small exercise on vowels? Are you ready? Then quickly take out your pencil and the eraser. Here is the sheet. Remember, you will be answering by yourself. Vowel E. Okay, so we know that vowel E has different sounds. Before we go to study the vowel E, let's do this worksheet. Write your name quickly. It's an independent activity. Right? Complete the words by adding E. Read the word aloud. After writing the vowel E, you have to read the word. Okay? The first one is nest. 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 So which letter will come here? E. Children, can you guess the second picture? Well. Well. There is two well. One, the water well. Another one, are you keeping well? Well means to keep. Fine. Next one, children. Pen. Right. Pronounce it loudly. Pen. Next one. Tent. Tent. Next one. Elf. Elf. Right. Now, children, I'm going to read this. Okay. You're going to answer the questions later. So listen carefully. This is my pet. Okay. This is my pet. Ned. Ned gets wet. What does Ned do? Gets wet. Ned sits on my bed. So it comes sometimes and sits on the bed. My bed gets wet too. Just like you come out of the bath and make every place wet, same like that. This makes me upset. Upset is nothing but sad. Ned and I play with a red ball. After this, they play with a red ball. We push the ball into the net. So they both push that red ball to the net. Now, answer these questions. Where does Ned sit? Bed. On my bed. Okay, we will say it in a full sentence. On my bed. Here it is. Right? Okay. Why does the bed get wet? Why is the bed getting wet? Ned sits on my bed wet. Isn't it? So, Ned sits on my bed and makes it wet. Now, Ned spills water on the bed or wet Ned sits on the bed. Which is the correct answer? Yes, wet Ned sits on the bed is the correct answer. What is the color of the ball? Red. So the color of the ball is red. We push the ball into the net. Now quickly check out your answers. Have you written? That's good. Those who have got all the answers correct, pat yourself. Right? So, this is how we have learned about the vowels are special. In the next session, we will be seeing how the letter E is pronounced and whether it comes in long vowel or short vowel. Keep practicing the consonants and the vowel sound. Thank you.